Morning, children. Welcome to biology session. Today we are going to start about the nutrition in human beings. What is nutrition? The food we take for growth and development is known as nutrition. So let us see the nutrition in human beings. So which system is helpful in digesting the food? Digestive system will do the digestion. Digestive system's function is to digest the food and remove the waste products from the body. So it carries on by various parts of the digestive system. So today we are going to deal only about mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus and stomach. So let's start. Yes, alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is nothing but the digestive system, children. So human digestive system is very complex in nature. Different parts are involved and perform different functions by using various digestive juices and enzymes. So in each and every part there will be certain digestive juices and enzyme which will be released, and it helps in the process of digestion that we will discuss further. So alimentary canal is nothing but a long tube extending from mouth to anus. So we can see that this tube has different parts. Various regions are specialized to perform different functions. So what happens to food once it enters into our body? So where does the food goes and how the waste products will come outside? We will see that. We eat various types of food which has to pass through the same digestive tract, isn't it? So it also has to be converted to substances small enough to be utilized by our body. So this needs various process that can be studied as follows. So digestion. So in this process, what happens? Digestion will be the ingestion, means taking the food inside is the first step. After that, there will be ingestion. After ingestion, what is the next step? Digestion. After digestion, absorption of that food. After absorption, assimilation, means utilization of the absorbed food. After assimilation, there will be ejection. Ejection is nothing but removing the waste products from the body through the anus. Yes, so let's see how the passage of food takes place through alimentary canal. Yes, so before that, let's go with the flow chart. So first food enters to the mouth, then buccal cavity is nothing but it is present in the mouth, then pharynx, esophagus, yes, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Let's go with the mouth. What happens in the mouth? So food is cut and crushed by our teeth in the mouth and mixed with saliva to make it wet and slippery. So the saliva is secreted by three pairs of glands, salivary glands. So food is nicely crushed and mixed up with saliva. That process is known as mastication. So gland is an organ which produce and release substances that perform specific function in the body, children. So salivary gland also produce saliva. It is an exocrine gland. So three types of salivary glands are there: submandibular, submaxillar and parotid glands. So first pair is located at the side of jaw called as submandibular. Second pair is located below the tongue called as submaxillary. And third pair is located at the side of the ear called as parotid gland. So what is the main enzyme which is present in the saliva? It is nothing but amylase, ptyalin, P is silent over here, which helps in the breakdown of complex carbohydrates to simple ones. So this process of breaking down of complex substances into simple substance with the help of enzymes and absorbed into the body is known as digestion. Okay, so who is helping here? Tongue. So tongue helps in mixing the food and pushing it into the next part. The lower jaw also helps in the whole process, children. So here only we can see the buccal cavity. After that, yes, so after mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, then it opens into esophagus. Yes, esophagus. So the soft mixed food which saliva passes through the esophagus. It is also known as a food pipe by a wave-like movements known as peristaltic movement, children. So in this way it moves down from the mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, then esophagus. In this way it comes down. Yes. So next one is stomach. What happens in the stomach? At the stomach, food gets churned with gastric juice and HCl. Now the food is in semi-solid condition, children. So the digestion of food goes on as most proteins are broken down into smaller molecules with the help of an enzyme known as pepsin. So pepsin is released in the stomach, in the gastric gland, in the stomach, gastric juice it is known as. It is nothing but pepsin enzyme, and it acts on proteins. It helps in the digestion of proteins and convert it into peptones. Pepsin will convert protein into peptones. Okay. Yes. So the food in the form of soft, slimy substance where some proteins and carbohydrates have already been broken down is called as chyme. Yes, this is chyme. Now the food material passes from the stomach to the small intestine. So how it passes to the small intestine and what happens in the small intestine, I will discuss with you in the next class. So today you understood what is alimentary canal. It is also known as digestive system, flow chart, and how the food takes place from mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus and stomach, and what is peristaltic movement. So movement, just now we have seen an image picture of that. Apart from that, we are also coming across the 5 basic terms. Ingestion, first we will take food through mouth, ingestion, then digestion, then absorption, then the food is absorbed, then assimilation, utilization of the absorbed food, then excretion, ejection. It is nothing but removing of unwanted materials. I hope you understood the class. Let's go with the assignment part. Write the flowchart of human digestive system, define what is mastication and name the salivary glands. Name the salivary enzyme and its function. What is peristaltic movement? How the digestion takes place in the stomach. Thank you.